How you doing, guys? Chris here. Well, drone light shows can be quite spectacular, and some light shows will even add a flair of the dramatic. But on the rare occasion, sometimes it can all go wrong, and that's what happened this week in China. There were indications that the light show wasn't going according to plan when things weren't being spelled out as they should be. And then things turned from bad to worse, and drones started falling from the sky as the light show continued. Boats in the river below were pelted with drones as the light show fell apart. But this isn't the first example of a drone light show ending in disaster. Here's another example of the drones losing orientation and falling to the ground. Unfortunately, in this example, there were people below. There are only a few examples of these drone light shows that have gone awry, and many more examples of the drone light shows that are being performed with precision and safety. With the proper precautions in place, these drone light shows should continue to provide entertainment for years to come. Stay tuned for more updates. I'm sure there's more to come. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.